1984 Oldsmobile Cutlass. It's got a 307 in it. It's got an aftermarket converter somebody else put on. Then what he wanted was duals dumped. So his wish is our command. So we put a Y pipe on it, 2 intermediate pipes, dumped down in the center. There and there. That's what he wants. That's what he'll get right there. That's how you do dumps before the rear axle. Let us know what you guys think. Hope you guys like it. 1984 Cutlass. Oldsmobile. There she is. Antique, baby. And like always, guys, please comment, like, and subscribe. He's still working on it. It's pretty louder, I thought. I'm surprised it's not that loud. Again? Do it in 1 second. '86 Cutlass. Go ahead. Dumped. Still sounds good though. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. Again. '86 Cutlass. Oldsmobile.